super quick video, how to replace the gas struts, bonnet struts, hood struts for our American friends, look, on your Range Rover Sport. This will be the same 2005 all the way to 2012. Right, so we've got some new ones. Land Rover, if you want to get Land Rover ones, we'll put these for sale on the website. We'll have copy ones, but that's a part number. You can order them from anywhere you like. There you go. So probably best to replace them as a pair. Right, why are we doing it? When it gets cold, your hood loses the mojo, and we'll see how the replacement ones do, but it barely holds it. It's not too bad. But what we'll also do, and I recommend when you replace the struts, grease the bonnet hinges at the back, because often it's sticky hinges as well as, what's the word, depleted, that'll do,
yeah,
depleted gas struts. Lost their mojo, you know what I'm talking about. Right, who's doing this? You or me, Dan? Who's got the screwdriver? Right.
There you go.
No, right, one thing to note. There is, if you buy the genuine gas struts, which we've got here, as you can see, they have a little arrow on them that says body that way. So these are going to be mounted like this. So the cylinder is at the top near the hood bonnet, and the rod is at the bottom next to the wing or fender, as our Americans. I'm getting all bilingual now. Right then, here we go. So get your willing assistant to hold the bonnet. You got these clips. They won't be orange on your car. Dan has kindly coloured those in, and there's a little groove you can get up. You don't need to take it out completely. Just wiggle it out a bit, and then you can pop that out. So what that does, I've done a couple of these videos now, but when they're in place, they've got like these little teeth that fire inside and hold it onto this little ball that you see. The ball, if I put my, you got the same at the bottom. You could take the clip off, but most of the time, if you're lucky, you can give them a bit of a wiggle. It says, is it going to do it for me, Dan? It's hard to get hold of. Is it going? No. Oh yeah. You get them up, or you can, again, you've got the little slot, you can get in behind there and lift the spring out, right? But we're lucky there. Right, let's put a new one on before Dan fades away. You got the lactic acid building up, Dan?
Yeah.
Right,
End of the day.
Cylinder at the top, and they should just clip on. No need to mess about with the little spring. Right, you got to go up a little bit more, Dan. Oh, I think they go on up. There you go. Right, there you go, and that's that on. Right, let's do the same on the other side. Go on, thanks, Dan. There you go, he's sort of out of the way, and he 1, 2, 3. Oh, maybe not. Oh, I think that one's fighting it now. That's why it's... Oh, that one just fell off. That one's a lot easier. In fact, it hasn't got a clip on it. There you go. Right, we'll get rid of that. Right, let's get the new one. Cylinder at the top. Because then that's facing to the body rather than the hood. And then, right, give it a little push down. That's it. Down a bit. There you go. That's that, right. Now let's put a little bit of the old lithium grease on there. So all these little joints here, we're going to have to get... Is there a joint there? Where's it moved? Give it a little wiggle down so I can see what's moving and what's... There's something moving down the back there. Oh, got it on the windscreen. I'll come in from here down. There you go. And you could actually... You've got that extra little... Well, on here, Dan, isn't there that extra strut that moves out for the extended? Right, we're good there. Right, then. Now, that's that little extra strap. If I was you, I'd lace these up, so I'd put a little bit of grease on that as well. There you go. Clean the window in a minute. Right, and down. Let's have a go with that. So you'd have to work it a few times to get the full effect, but we should see. Let's give it a... Right then. Wow, there we go. Bonnet struts done. Good luck with that.